Good morning to everyone. I am Dr. R. Jamuna Devi, Assistant Professor of Commerce, ADM College for Women, Autonomous Nagapattinam. Let us see Internet. Internet is a very much interesting subject. First of all, what is the Internet? In the early days, most people just used the Internet to search for information. Today, Internet is a constantly evolving tool. Let us see introduction to Internet. Global network connecting millions of computers. The Internet links are a computer network all over the world so that user can share resources and communicate with each other. Network in interconnections of system to share data and information. The Internet is a global system. Interconnected computer network that use the standard Internet protocols should TCP IP to serve billions of users worldwide. It is a collection of that consists of a million of private, public, academic, business, commercial individuals and other sites. Definition of Internet: a wide variety of information and other communication related facilities in an interconnected networks standardized using communication protocol is provided by is a universal computer. It makes use of TCP IP protocol suit for data transmission and exchange. Next, a brief history of Internet. 1969 Internet ARPANET. In 1989 HTML invented at Charan. 1991 NSF lift restriction on commercial use of Internet. In 1993, Mosaic browser invented at the University of Illinois Urbana-Champaign is related to public. In 1994, Netscape released Navigator browser. In 1995, Dell, Cisco, Amazon, etc. began aggressively to use Internet for commercial transaction. Next, nature of Internet. Internet is a network of networks. The worldwide emails, news, file transfer protocol, interaction with other media. The first one, Internet is a network of networks. There are several layers and modes of communication among the layers. Hence, some standards have been raised to allow a proper level of communications across networks. However, these standards do not restrict the access of information to a particular location. The information flow freely across the networks in a standardized manner. Next, the World Wide Web. The World Wide Web is a part of the Internet which support hypertext documents allowing user to view and navigate different types of data. A web page is a document encoded with a hypertext markup language, that is HTML tags. Next, HTML allow a designer to link content together via hyperlinks. Every web page has an address, a uniform resource locator URL. Next, email. Email is now an essential communication tools in business. With emails, you can send any and receive instant electronic message which work like writing letters. Your message are delivered instantly to people anywhere in the world, unlike traditional mail that takes a lot of time. Email is free, fast and very cheap when compared to telephone, fax and postal services. Next, news. The Internet-based service called news includes tens of thousands of new groups. Each new groups host discussions on a specific topic. New groups, some indicate its user special topic of interest such as food, cake. Next, to participate in a new groups, you need a news reader program. Next, file transfer protocol. So, file transfer protocol is an internet tool used to copy file from one computer to another. Using a special FTP program or a web browser, you can log into a ETP host computer over the internet and copy file onto your computer. FTP is a handy for finding and copying software files, articles and other types of data. Universities and software companies use FTP serves to provide a visitor with access to data. Next, interaction with other media. Internet service has a high degree of interaction with other media. For example, news and other magazine publishing houses have extended their business with the help of internet service. Next, e-business models. The following are the different types of e-business model. The first one is business to business, that is B2B. Second, business to consumer, B2C. Third, consumer to consumer, that is C2C. Fourth, consumer to business, C2B. Fifth, business to administration, that is B2A. And finally, consumer to administration, that is C2A. The business to business. A business to business models of business involves the conduct of trade between two or more business and companies. The channels of such a trade generally include conventionals, wholesaler and producer who are dealing with retailers. Next, business to consumer. Another common e-commerce business model is business to consumer or business to consumer. The business models involves a business that sells product directly to consumer online. The B2C e-business models is more in line with the traditional retail business, except there is no brick and mortar stores. So one of the main advantages of the B2C models is the retailer can focus on a niche group of consumers and specific market and cater of them exclusive. For example, of companies who use the B2C e-commerce model include Amazon, Walmart and Target. Business to consumer. Another e-commerce business model is business to consumer or business to C. This business models involves a business that sell a product directly to consumer online. The business to consumer e-business models is more in line with traditional retail businesses, except there is no bricks and mortar storage. One of the main advantages of B2C model is that a retailer can focus on a niche group of consumer and a specific market and cater of them exclusively. Example of companies who use the B2C commerce models includes Amazon, Walmart and Target. Next, consumer to consumer. This business models is leveraged by a consumer for selling used goods and service to the other consumer through the digital media. The transactions here are pursued through platform provided by third party that likes of which includes OLX, Quicker, etc. So consumer to consumer. In this models, a consumer approach website showing multiple business organization for a particular service. For example, comparison of interest rate of personal loan, car loan provided by various bank via website. Business organization who fulfill the consumer requirement within specific budget approaches the provides its services. Business to administration, business to these models enable online dealings between companies and the public administration, that is the government, by enabling the exchange of through central website. It provides business with a platform to bid on government on opportunities such as action, tenders, application, submission, etc. The scope of this model is now enhanced thanks to investment made towards e-governments. Next, consumer to administration. Consumer to administration is meant for consumers who may use it requesting information or posting feedback concerning public sector directly to the government authorities or administration. Next, website design. Website design, unlike with software development, there are no accepted, well organized and documented methods for developing websites. There are, however, some good practice. For example, it is best to avoid technology traps by not committed to new but untried technologies. Next, guidelines for developing a website. The first one is the develop of many websites is driven by the enthusiasm of designers and implementers, people who are often keen to use the latest technology. Next, being driven by the technology rather than business and customers' needs can lead to sites that are slow in execution, complicated to use, and do not achieve the intended results. So, iconically committing to a new technology too early can cause a website to rapidly look dated, either because the technology did not become popular and so stayed in an old form, or because the adoptions of the new technology was so expensive that a titled budget remained for site maintenance. Next, as a general rule, avoid the necessary use of technology. While doing so, also recognize that any technology that has been avoided at some points in the website lifetime may become vital to the site as the site needs change, or even as a user interface efficient progresses. Last, these ideas of change and surety of guidelines is important. Technology that are necessary today may be acceptable or even necessary in a few years' time. Thank you.